Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today, I'm gonna show you how to download Telegram in your mobile device. All you need to do is just go to App Store if you're using Apple, and go to Play Store if you're using Android device. In my case, I'm just gonna go App Store and then search for Telegram and then download it. Then you go to your all apps and then click Telegram and scroll for you to see what is happening. And there you have it. You already downloaded the Telegram and you're ready to start messaging. And this will be for my next video. So see you. Bye.